Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and I wanted to share with you like a haul of I went to Hobby Lobby and got a few things. I went to Tuesday morning and got one thing, and then I went to Joann's and got some few things. So the reason why I wanted to go to Joann's and all these stores is because I wanted to join making these for your albums. So I didn't have the right, this is too thick, I feel like, of a yarn, so I got a thinner one in the right color. And this one I got from China, so I got some other colors. So I wanted to do that. So let's start with the Tuesday morning one. I was so disappointed because my Tuesday morning didn't have any new thing, any new paper that's new. Everything's the same, but I found one of the bookbinding guide, and it's $12.49. And I've been wanting to try this because, as you guys know, I love Paige Evans. Sorry about my nails, but I wanted to try this. So I'm thinking, because I already have the long arm stapler, so is it any better if I try to use this and manually stitch them? So I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna try this to bookbind it, and then after that I'm gonna see how I can integrate my traveler's notebook design into this, because I wanted the decoration on the side, but I really like this design of my traveler's notebook because it fits perfectly in my traveler's notebook suitcase. So I'm thinking of putting holes in here and sewing it and putting some decoration because I really wanted this decorated. So we'll see what we can come up with. Let me know down below if you're interested in seeing that process. So I only have one thing from Tuesday morning, which I thought was worth it. After that, I went to Hobby Lobby. And then Hobby Lobby has 30% off yarn. But the paper is, none of the scrapbook things are on sale. However, I was able to find this storage memory keeper, and I used my coupon for this. And it has 10 pieces of storage. So this is how I store my collections together. So that's awesome. Instead of those Felicity Jane boxes that are very bulky. So next, after that, I was able to get these. I think I got this at... Yes, I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I got these colors. Beautiful colors that are neutral. And this one I thought was neutral. They didn't have, you know, the pinks, but I thought the peach is good enough, and these are very neutral and they're all very beautiful. Then the next one I got from Hobby Lobby was these crepe paper. They have different shades, which is awesome. This looks like a blush color, which is perfect because I don't like the very bright pink. This one is not very dark either, so that's perfect. It looks like these colors came from a Maggie Holmes collection. So I thought that was perfect for 99 cents. It's not your traditional very bright colors like this. So after that, I was able to get these beads that I'm going to use for this maybe topper. So I'm still trying to figure out, wish me luck on trying to figure this out, but I'm going to use these with this or some pom-poms. That's why I got these. So these are from $18 is now $4.50. So I thought that was neutral with just white, pearl, and gold. So I thought that was perfect. And then these are 50% off. So I was thinking of using it. So pretty much my goal for that day is to find accessories and things that I can use for the danglies. And this is 50% off, so I got 2 of that. And then I got this Yarnology plastic canvas needles. And this is a size 16. So I'm going to try to use that. This is for my sewing machine. It was 99 cents. So it was buy 3, get 2 free. Then this one is the last one. And I got this from Joann's. And I want to see. I've been wanting to open it, but I wanted to do it with you guys. Let me see if I have a container for it. Let me move my coffee right here. I'm still a little bit coughing, so I have a separate Christmas cup so that my family doesn't get my virus. So as you can see, it's firm, which is great. And this one I got from Joann's, like from seasons ago. But this one is obviously like a pom-pom. Sorry. And you can see the difference. Sorry. See the difference? These you can see the fibers, but this you cannot. And it's easier to sew on this one when you're trying to make pom-poms. And then the colors are great too. This one is, you know, a Paige Evans. It matches with her collections because she likes to use that. And I thought that would be perfect. They have other colors too. They have the neutral black, white, but I decided I just wanted to start with these two. And then if I like them, then I will definitely get some more. But I thought this would be perfect for my adventure because I got this from AliExpress and it took forever to get here. I like what I was able to do with this. It's just this yarn. This yarn is too bulky for my purpose. So I'm going to try again to do that. Wish me luck. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very short haul video. Have a wonderful crafty day, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm going to be working this weekend. Anyways, take care. Have fun. Don't forget to wash your hands when you're in public places so you don't get the flu. Take care, guys. Bye.